I've just been doing a session here at IBC about creativity and tech and how combined they can really turbocharge storytelling and surprise, delight, please audiences. And giving a few examples of that. With AI, we're in an exploratory period where we're really trying to figure out what are the, positive uses of AI and what are the potential impacts of AI on the industry. So I don't yet have ready examples of where AI is shifting storytelling or changing storytelling. I was more today talking about a range of different things, from how drones have transformed natural history filmmaking, how we've used CGI to bring alive the ancient world, the prehistoric world in Prehistoric Planet for Apple TV, about how we used high-end broadcast tech to do the Queen's funeral and the coronation this year, and the concert that followed it at Windsor Castle. And so really where classic storytelling and high tech come together to give the audiences something different and create a bit of additional punch. It's very much about what you see on screen, but there are some examples as well where tech is transforming production technique behind the scenes, where camera techniques are changing, but also to support our mission for sustainability. So I showed one sequence today about Springwatch, one of our natural programs, one of our wildlife programs that we show every year, and how they used hydrogen generators to power the entire production. So the entire production village, all the cameras, all the editing was all powered by hydrogen generators. If technology helps us tell better stories and make them visualize them better, capture things in a way that audiences find really compelling, then that gives us a cutting edge. We're in a huge competition for audiences. All platforms and services and channels and all producers are, in a real competition to put content in front of audiences that's going to surprise and delight them. And if technology can give us an edge, help us tell a story in a new way, help us tell a story that hasn't been told before, then that's a real advantage. One of the examples that I gave today was about how drones, lightweight drones, have allowed us to film animal behaviour that's never been captured before, and also events in the natural world, capture events in the natural world in ways that have never been seen before. And I showed an example of an avalanche sequence which we used in Frozen Planet 2, where a whole squadron of high-speed drones, which are capable of doing 100 miles an hour and filming 360 degrees, were able to render the event of a major avalanche in the Rocky Mountains in a way that just pure heli filming or long lens filming would never have been able to capture it and get that up that close to it. Different production units and different genres will be, taking the technology in lots of different directions. We've seen already how CGI can massively enhance fantasy and sci-fi storytelling, and we've obviously done a lot of that with shows like Doctor Who and Good Omens. But we've also, if you look at something like Prehistoric Planet for Apple TV, used CGI to tell factual storytelling, to enhance science and to give audiences a vision of the prehistoric world that they previously would never have been able to imagine.